I have built a completely free barcode and QR code scanner node for n8n. So it not only scans the images, I mean scans the barcodes and the QR codes, it have the capability of generating the QR code and barcodes of these many standard formats out there. And the cool thing is every single thing and every single sensitive data will stay 100% safe and secure on your own server. So technically the data won't leave your own servers. So it was technically safe. Okay. So let me just show you some use cases of these firstly, and after that I will let you know what exactly was the community nodes name so that you can simply install it and try it on later. Let me just show you some use cases of this barcode scanner node that I have been built. So firstly, we will download a barcode image as binary. After that, we will simply pass that binary property of that particular image and simply scans the whole image and extract the barcode. And after that, we will be downloading a QR code image and and even that particular QR code image will be also downloaded as binary, and that binary property will be sent to our node and it will simply extract it. And after that, we will be simply downloading any random format QR code or barcode barcode picture, and even that particular different format photo will be also downloaded as binary, and we will be send that particular binary property to this particular barcode scanner node, and let us see whether it simply scans the image or not. But after all these three things, we can also generate a sample QR code or barcode and all. So yeah, let's start with the first workflow. Perfect. Here is the text that simply the the barcode scanner node simply extracted, which was nothing but the direct barcode. And by the way, this particular barcode image simply comes with a lot of noise, but still the scanner simply scans only the barcode, so no noise was allowed and all. So let us just work with the second sub workflow. Okay, and this is the barcode, and even the barcode was also had a lot of noise out there. And this is the extracted link. This particular barcode was attached at this particular link. So our node simply extracted everything. And after that, as I told, any random barcode or QR code scanner. This is some hell type of a format. And yeah, everything, even our node simply scanned that and simply gave us the extracted us and gave us the whole context of that particular website, of that particular QR code. And let's see whether we will actually generate a barcode or not. And it was pretty fast. Just have a look. The barcode was automatically generated, and we can simply adjust the widths and heights of the barcode right here. And just have a look. The execution was pretty fast. So yeah, that's how the whole thing will work.